Hey, Tobin here. I'm going to teach you how I've been styling my hair through my quarantine. So you start with the corner of your couch and you wedge your head in there, but you got to start with this guy on your neck, get it sweaty so that you can form it in all the creases and just wring it out if it gets too sweaty. This guy has to work his way in. Two options: you can go gator, you can go bear, doesn't matter, but as long as you get that in there too, like so. And then once you go gator, you gotta go monster. This is the dogs. So then you can really, like, you know, smell like dog too. But you can work that in there. That's how you can get your mustache to stick forward if you get some spit on it, like that. And I think one more. I have this monster. It's a good chin monster. So that one's gonna get a little neck sweat too. And then I think I used they matched my underwear. And that's a dog one too. There's a lot of dog hair in this one. And that one works the top. You rotate. And that should, this is another. You know, I think the dogs, there's more dog pillows in my house than people pillows. Do you see that dog stuff? Yeah. That's how I do it. It's half dog hair anyways. Tobin Campbell, owner of Shear Chaos, currently unemployed, and that's how I do my hair. Stay tuned for stay tuned for more videos, important videos with less dog hair.
I'm just pointing down at your slippies.
Get that rabbit! Get that rabbit!